Today I'm going to talk about how I can help you to incorporate lab-based research findings into a real-life golf swing. So the issue with lab-based research findings, even though they are meticulously researched, is that all researchers seem to be fascinated with the development of club speed, and they rarely look at the same time at how to get accuracy and to reduce injury. The other issue with lab-based research is that it is all observational, so that the researchers get a group of people to come in to their lab and measure all their body movements and positions, and then correlate those findings with the body movements that are related to the maximum club speed production. So this correlation does not result in a causation. And here's an example. A couple of studies have looked at the height a skilled golfer can get from a squat jump position and correlated it with the golfer's club speed. So does that mean you should immediately incorporate a squat jump into a golfer's movement? No, because firstly, we don't know whether the squat should be in the backswing and the jump in the downswing, or whether they should both be in the downswing, how that will affect timing for the golfer, and how that might affect injury potential. And it is perfectly a correlation, because a skilled golfer is fast and strong enough that despite that squat jump, they can still get a great club speed. It need not be because of that squat jump. Another study found that when your center of mass, or your balance point of your body, is further away from this vertical line, which represents the combined center of pressure of both feet, so it's further away, then you can get greater peak club speed. This force, incidentally, will serve to move a golfer in this direction. Now, with this, one must ask questions like, at what stage is the peak club speed being developed in the downswing? Will this lateral flexion that results cause the golfer to have a greater angle of attack? Will the golfer get greater back pain from that lateral flexion? And finally, will the golfer be able to move the center of mass forward in time for impact? Because if the center of mass stays back, you're likely to get directional issues, because your rotation would have taken place while you're hanging back. And it is known that skilled golfers can move the center of mass about 12 centimeters in the downswing, and unskilled golfers just cannot move that far. So for every golfer, one has a lot of issues to consider besides simply what research is coming out of the labs. If you would like me to work with you and your golf coach so that you can maximize all of the research findings that are now increasingly being made available to us, simply get in touch.